So whilst you're at home, there's no better time to get into bird watching. Here are some easy steps to get started. Some equipment that you may want but aren't necessary are binoculars for when you're out and about, but all you really need is a keen eye. A great tool for identification are guides. The one I'm using here is the FSC guide, which is nice and compact and easy to carry. It is some common species you will see and has a very handy information section. For extra detail, you may want a guidebook. Here I'm using the RSPB1, which has extra information on bird habitats and has a lot more species. But none of these are necessary. All you really need is some patience and time, and start off by looking up. Pay attention to the branches where birds may nest. Look around your surroundings. What can you see? If you're looking for a particular bird, think about what habitat they may prefer. A great way to identify and even spot birds is to keep quiet and just listen. Soon when you start hearing the calls, you also start spotting some birds. Some will be high up in the treetops out of sight, but others like this greytit will come up and close, and these are the species which are a great spot when you start bird watching. Become familiar with your local species and ones that visit you often. Whether you're out on your daily walk with your dog, or you're staying at home and just having a look through the window, keep your eyes peeled and you'll be surprised as to how much you can actually see. Thank you for watching. Let us know how you got on and what species you found today.